Hair so long that it looked like weave. Did she cut it off? Now your girl look like Eve. Not quite, but you know, it was long and I did cut it all off. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of IKNOWLEE, back with yet another video. This one is going to be this super cute hair tutorial that's fairly easy, and I made it work, whether you believe it or not, on shorter natural hair. Yes, considering the length of my hair, I did not think that I could achieve 2 puffs, but it's actually possible. So before we get started, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I love it when you guys join the family and just really continue to support me and my content. I really appreciate it. So thank you in advance for going ahead and clicking that subscribe button. I will have weekly uploads. And you know what, quite frankly, I would just greatly appreciate it. So, you know, just click it. Let's get into the toot. Make sure that you check the description bar below for all of the links and other related hair tutorial videos. They're gonna be down there for you. Before we get started, let me just finish beating my face. I'm actually starting off with the braid out that I am not going to fluff out just yet. The first thing that I used was a rat tail comb to create this part. Now what you're going to notice is that the part is pretty straight in the beginning, and then as it moves further to the back, it's just not gonna be as straight. But if you're not good at parting like me, try to get somebody to help you with the part, or you know, you could just rock it out, you know, in its own state. Then I'm gonna start off with one side of my hair, and I'm literally going to fluff this out, but I'm not going to go too overboard because I still want the ponytail to be pretty sleek. I applied a generous amount of edge control to the entire perimeter of that section. I left out pieces of hair on the side, but you don't have to. And as far as the back goes, I didn't force it to try to fit into this puff. So if it doesn't fit, I'll show you how we can fix that later on. Using a brush, I just smooth my edges down, and then with a scrunchie or a hair tie, whatever you want to call it, I formed a ponytail. Now this ponytail was not super tight. I might have did this maybe like 2 or 3 times, but I did leave some wiggle room for it to actually expand, and then I just pulled it to make it seem like it was a little bit tighter and to kind of create that slick kind of flush edges look. And then essentially I'm going to repeat the exact same thing on the other side, so kind of fluffing out that section, applying a generous amount of edge control all the way around the puff, brushing it in with the brush. And I wouldn't even use a brush that's super hard, but you do want to get it smooth. Well, at least I did. So go ahead and brush that edge control in. You can leave some hair out if you want to, and then after that, grab some type of hair tie, a snappy, whatever you use, and secure the puff. Okay? So wrap it a couple of times depending on your liking, and then we're gonna go ahead and go in and get to fluffing. Ain't it cute? Look at that. And grab a pick and go ham. Get it, you know, as big as you want. As far as that extra hair that's in the back that didn't really fit, we gonna fix that by simply grabbing it and pinning it down. I did leave some more hair out in the back, and I also smoothed this down. And when I pinned it in an X so that it would create this cute little pattern in the back of my head. So let's flip around so that I can show you guys. Smooth it down, pin it in an X. Now, before you guys come for me, I'm using Eco. I am. And I'm just using it to kind of define the kissy curls or the extra hair that I left out. It's gonna look kind of weird now, but as it dries, it's gonna fluff up and have really cute curls. Then I went back in and defined my edges just a little bit more with some edge control. You can go all out on the edges too, because that would actually be really cute. And once I finish that, I'm just gonna fluff, enjoy myself in the mirror, because I know that this style is super cute, and rock it out. This is a bit of a disclaimer. I did part my hair on my own, so if my part is not perfect, don't completely judge me. As a matter of fact, this style doesn't have to be super perfect. If you want it to be, it can, but it's kind of like that effortless, really cute fun, playful, festival-esque type look, quite frankly. I wanted to thank you loves for watching. Once again, make sure that you subscribe if you didn't already at the beginning of the video. The first time that I asked you, you can go ahead and click on my face and that will subscribe you to my channel. And of course, you can watch some of my other videos that I will also leave linked. I love you guys. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.